Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Please allow me to provide some backgrounds into the school counseling services that is been given in school. In 2001, more than 10 large secondary school counseling positions were established within the Ministry of Education. And in 2014, these positions were removed. And the counselors that were appointed were given the teaching positions in the respective school. The ministry since 2014 strengthened the Substance Abuse Advisory Council, the SAAC, a statutory unit with qualified counselors provided counseling support to students referred from schools. And the unit is also mandated to provide basic counseling training to teachers. Therefore, 35 teacher counselors who were trained and certified with a diploma in counseling by APTC. In 2015, the divisional counselor positions were established in the 4 education divisions. However, due to the previous government's reform of the civil service, the divisional counselor positions at MOE were neutralized. And even worse, the chaplain's post was also removed in 2019. All these mechanisms, Mr. Speaker, sir, to support health, well-being, safety of teachers and students were dismantled. And unfortunately, could have been led to the increase in disciplinary cases in our education system. The Ministry of Education acknowledges that due to the increasing number of indisciplined cases referred to the SEC over the years from the schools is quite alarming. With the recent media report of 3,742, an urgent need to decentralize the school counseling services to the 4 education divisions, districts, and in large schools. With all the changes that have impacted our social fabric, the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Australian government under the Wubale Partnership, have established counselling hubs in all the 4 education divisions, and these hubs are in the selected government schools. However, counselling support is provided to all students in their respective education divisions. The counselling hubs were opened in 2023 in Natambua High School, in Nasinu Secondary School, and in Lambasa College and Lebuka Public School in 2024. What happened, Mr. Speaker, sir, is all disciplinary cases that are reported to the school heads, for example, for drug use, drug peddling, sex-related offences, which require counselling services intervention, are registered at the district and divisional education offices. These cases are then referred to the SEC office, as they are classified as high risk, and SEC contacts the various heads of school in the divisions to release the trained counsellors from respective schools. This is the 35 trained counsellors to attend to the students. As always, parental consent is obtained by the head of school prior to registration of the cases with the district officers, and parents are present during all counselling sessions. The SEC, in collaboration with the district and divisions education officers, monitor and evaluate the work of the counselling services. Reports and follow-ups of the cases are submitted to SEC, and depending on the seriousness of the cases, these are referred to the relevant authorities, such as the Social Welfare, Medical Services Pacific, Ministry of Health, the Fiji Police Force, for their necessary support and actions. SEC is also expected to provide a monthly report to the Minister of Education's office on the work carried out by the organization. The Ministry of Education acknowledges that there are limitations in our effort to attend to all cases that are happening in schools, as the counselling hubs are located in town areas. And SEC has limited power also as they work with rural school cases greatly depend on the availability of support, the availability of transport, and the availability of finances from district and divisional education offices. And the councillors are then expected to travel to rural schools subject to availability of transportation and the release of the councillor from the respective head of school. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.